we are going to make a new dog water holder thing. Let's do it. That didn't work. I wanted to make it slightly fancier than this because this is just pretty ugly. And I'm going to try my first box joints because box joints look really cool. Let's do it.
Today I'd like to talk a little bit about our router box joint cutting jig.
Perfect. It is absolutely perfect. I'm going to use a nail gun. It doesn't work unless I do this like 1,000 times. I wish I knew why. Aha! There we go. Oh. I don't think it's supposed to be wobbly like that. I've heard that this thing is a little bit complicated. This thing has a 67-page instruction manual. This chapter assumes you have set up your jig following the mounting and assembly instructions in chapter 4, steps 4 through 22. La, 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 yeah, yeah, yeah. 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 So this thing came with a router bit. Oh no, I didn't install this thing. That doesn't make sense. What? That doesn't fit through there, but that clearly doesn't fit through there. What am I supposed to do with this? Sanded ring. Spent a long time doing that. All right, good start. Like this. What? Wait. What the? Apparently I need an industry standard 1 3/8 inch diameter counterbore insert ring. So it turns out they don't make a counterbore insert ring for my router table, but I found an adapter that apparently works with my router. Okay, this is supposed to fit here. Oh no, it's caught on my apron. No, 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 no. Look at me, I'm Woody Harrelson. Totally loose. It's still kind of loose, but I think it looks pretty good. I think I got it figured out. Let's do it, I guess. Whoops. Is this gonna fit together? It does. Look at that. We have made a box, a square. Cool. Now we need to make the top for this thing. Is that how this works? This needs to dry for a bit. Yeah. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh, there we go. There we go. All right, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Whoa. Now we're done. I should probably cut this down to a square first. Oh, my pants are stuck. Cool. I'm gonna let this dry.
I'm gonna come back tomorrow.
I'm really bad at this. I don't remember what I was doing last because it's been a long time. So clearly I put some wood filler on this, so I'm gonna sand this down. There. I guess I shouldn't do that. Oh. This is hard. So this was almost a disaster. I didn't realize it, but I was actually going through the side. I did it on every single side. Let's give this thing a fancy edge with a router. I recently read online that the router is the most dangerous power tool. It's responsible for the most number of emergency room visits. Yeah, so that routing that I just did, that was a white knuckle thrill ride. What? Oh my god, there's already sandpaper. That was way better. So I guess that's it. If you like this video, please subscribe. If I don't get 500 subscribers by the end of the month, then I'm going to make the screenshot of this one, and it's very ugly. Didn't even break.